Even before you start editing your course, you should complete your user profile to introduce yourself to students who have not met you face-to-face. To edit your profile, click My Profile Settings, then Edit Profile. In the options list that appears, you see lots of things you can change. Most of this is pretty self-explanatory, but I want to pause here to highlight Moodle's file interface, because you'll see it when you add other resources to your course. Notice, first, that Moodle lets you upload an image by drag and drop. There's a bit of a delay after you let go of the mouse button and before the file actually appears, but the process does work. It's how Susie's picture was uploaded. Let's suppose, though, that we'd rather use some sort of upload this file interface. To do this, open the file picker by clicking Add. The file picker lets you pick a file from a repository. The repositories are listed in the left column of the file picker. AMBS has made 3 repositories available: server files, private files, and Google Drive. Each of these repositories has different strengths and weaknesses that will be highlighted in another screencast. For now, you'll have to settle for a brief overview. Upload a file is how well, you know. When you upload a file using Upload a File, the file gets deposited into the Server Files repository. Server files are files actually used in a course. Used means that somewhere in your course you have a link to the file. Once the last link disappears, so too does the entry for the file in Server Files. Private files is more permanent. Files placed here remain here, even if you never link to them in a course. Google Drive lets you add files from Google Drive. If you do this, you can edit the file directly in Google Drive and not have to upload it a second time. Moodle has other repositories that are not yet available to you. If there is sufficient demand for Picasa web albums, Flickr, Box, Dropbox, Wikimedia, YouTube, or Merlot, these can be added later. For now, we'll scroll to the bottom of this page and click Update Profile. Each day has enough troubles of its own.